Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Sonali from It Starts at Home, and I hope everybody is doing great. I hope you all had a great week, and I hope you all the coming weeks that are ahead of us should be great for you. A lot of families have requested me and were asking me that why did I not upload activity video last week. I was really tied up. I have been working on a project very hard, and it already kicked off last week, so this is the second week of the project, and along with that a lot of handmade book orders. So I was just trying to get up and put something, but I worked really hard over the weekend so that I have the content ready for the next 2 weeks, and it is. So I can't wait to share with you the activities that you can make for your kids without hustle, without bustle, without you putting on your brain, because don't worry, I've done the work for you. I sat down and I've made activities, daily activities like that you would want your kids to try out. So I know that definitely you're trying to do maths, English, science, social studies, a lot of stuff, but at the same time we need to keep building the concentration, because while the kids are doing still home learning and homeschooling, the concentration levels are dropping increasingly. As per the reports, the kids are not very excited and happy when they're doing it, and they just feel homebound. So at that time you have to get a lot of fun and a lot of entho related activities for the kids to try out. So without getting delayed, I would just tell you, whenever you are looking for easy activities, just grab a piece of paper, pen. If you have stickers, great. If you don't have, just open my video, all right? Put it on, and whatever I am sharing with you, just try and put it on the paper. All you need is a piece of paper, all right? And just try and replicate the activities for your kids. And if you love it, you try, do tag me, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video. All right, so let's get going. Let's get started with the video for today. So guys, the first activity that you see right here is a couple of cards where you see random 6 designs, but don't worry, they're not random. There are a couple of things that are going on here, and I'm going to explain it to you in a minute. So all you need to do is grab a piece of paper. I've cut them into half. I have used one of my sticker books. Like, you always ask me, what have you used? I've used my sticker books, but you can definitely make it by hand, or if you have any kind of stickers, you could just use it. And the next step that you have to do is place them on a paper right here, all right? All 6 of them distinct, but a common element. So if you see, the heart and a star is a common element in all these designs, so that's because part of the activity. So they're not only counting here, they are counting, they're looking at the size of the stars, all right? And then they're going to be doing an extra step to that. So the first thing is for them to observe each and every one, and then I have these cards right here. All right, let me read one for you, okay? It says big star 0, big hearts 2, big hearts 2. This one has big heart, this one has big heart, this one has big heart. All right. Yellow heart 1. There's 1 yellow heart. Okay, this one has a yellow heart, this one has a yellow heart. All right. Pink star 0, pink heart 1. Pink heart, pink heart. So, but 2, 3, 4. There are 4. This goes here. So guys, did you see? They had to look at the object. So we are working on the shape, we are working on the size, we are counting, all right? And then we are doing a great matching activity. So it's such a great brain teaser that I've made for you guys. So the same goes for here. Each one of them, they have to see. And basically I have just described the whole thing into small parts here, but using different words so that it should not look monotonous or very easy. All right, part 2 of this activity is you have again 6 chits and the book. All right, the kid needs to open it, find the same sticker, and they need to recreate. So each one of them that I've used here, they definitely have 2 or more than that in the book, and then they need to flip, and they need to find, and they need to put it here. So like this one is right here. Okay, this is right here, and then all the small stars are just along here. So they need to just recreate the design and put it back here. So that was our activity number 1. Okay, so activity number 2 is basically a little bit of science. So there you saw that we did maths, a lot of maths in one in just one sheet, right? And here we're going to be doing a little bit of science. So you see all these colorful pictures, okay, and then you see something, and then there's something behind too. So this says what are they made from and what can you make. So what I have done, I have taken a finished product and I've taken a raw material. All right, so this is the raw material, well, like the raw form of a fruit or a vegetable that we use to cook something, and this is the finished form of it. So what the child has to do is, and these are very popular, something that the kids age 4 to 6 can relate to, they eat, and they should know by now, or they should ask questions that what do they come from. So when they have French fries, they need to write or they need to draw what French fries are made from. Same is for popcorn, ice cream or a popsicle. All right, then you have a donut, a hamburger, a drink, and a hot dog. All right, so you have dairy product in this, you have poultry, you have meat, you have gluten, plus you have a fruit element too. So I tried in covering all the elements that we can with the drink, with the sweet, with the snack, and with food. So that's what they have to do. And the same thing here, what can you make? So with a pineapple, what is it that you think you can make with that? Then we have a mushroom, carrot, strawberry, and a teapot. What comes out of a teapot? With a watermelon, banana, and cherry. So guys, this is not an easy activity if you think, and if you think you can make it more interesting, tell them to write 2 or 3 elements for each one of them, just to make it more interesting. And the same thing for this one, if you think they have written potato, tell them to write one more thing that they would like to eat of potato, or they would want to add, or maybe 2 elements with which this is born. So like potato and oil, or potato or salt, right? So these are the 2 elements that you need to make the French fries. Looking forward to the third one now. All right, so what I've done, I've taken my graph paper for the third activity here, and it's a great geometry activity, and I would not say the word geometry here because the kids are too young, but I would say it's a great spatial intelligence and concentration building activity. What you have to do is, if you don't have the graph paper, you can always use the maths number book in which kids write. Generally they have the squares in that. And I have made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've made 5 shapes, and you can definitely try and make another one. What the kids have to do, for each shape, they have to first make the shape here, all right? Then they need to mention how many squares in triangle, all right? So it could be something like this. I'm just gonna show it to you right here. So you have so if you have this, then they're going to write how many squares, number, and how many triangles in this. All right, so they're going to be just breaking this shape into 2 parts with square and triangle. So it's a great activity because they're also seeing how one shape is built. Okay, so they're going, and that's why I have used prominent pens so that it's easy for the kids to see. Try and use different color of pens when you're making this activity, and make it more engaging. If you think the child is not able to do it in one time, don't worry, come back to it, but let the child give it a try. All right, let me show you the last activity, right? All right guys, so I tried in creating this card for you, and I just wanted to show it to you that this is one card that I've created, and you can create as many cards as you want by looking at what your kid what the number the kid is learning right now. So you could make it from 6 to 16. That could be 16. This could move to 16, and then 16 tally marks too. So in words, in Roman numerals, in form of dice or dots, tally marks, and normal decimal number. Then a little bit of counting here, a little bit of counting here. All right, and then you can write here 6 or 16, and then I have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ways to count 6. Okay, so you could make these easy, simple cards by just using stickers. And if you don't have stickers, work magic with your fingers and try and draw the design. So it's a very simple card that you could draw, and it could be multi-purpose and can help kids do the fun maths or English. It could be with A2 in a very, very fun and engaging way. Right, guys? So I hope guys the video was useful for you, and you're definitely going to try and make these super quick activity, 10 minutes for your kids. And if you have any questions, you want to share anything, please leave a comment below. And look out for the giveaway that I'm going to be doing this week. You really want to do it. It's worldwide. So thanks for watching, guys. Do subscribe, like, and comment on the video. And I can't wait to share the giveaway with you next week. Nope, sorry, in the coming days. Bye.